Good morning, my dear students. Today is Monday, April the 20th, 2020. I hope that your weekend was awesome and that you rested a lot because today we are going to start reviewing weeks 1 and 2 from Contract 5. The subject of this video is going to be vocabulary, okay? So please take out your English notebook where you have your images and open your contract on page number 1. The first one is isthmus. It's a narrow strip of land bordered on both sides by water, connecting two larger bodies of land. This is the isthmus. Here we can see the bodies of water and the bodies of land that are connected by it. Okay? Number 2, boost. And we have boost internet speed is to increase or raise. Look, here what is increasing is the speed. 3, mild, not cold or extreme. It's like nice. The weather is cool, okay? It's not warm, it's not cold, it's good. Look at this. Monday, warmer. Tuesday, mild. It's sunny, but it's mild, okay? Number 4, seismic, caused by an earthquake or vibration of the earth. This is the seismic activity. Okay, you can see that here they are showing you that the earth is shaking. Why? Because of the seismic activity. Number 5, destructive, causing so much damage. Here, the destructive force would be the lava. It's destroying everything. Okay, look at the trees. Number 6, poured, flowing or falling as from one container. Someone is pouring water from this bottle to the glass. Poured. Number 7, thermal. Here, this image is of the thermal energy. We can see the heat here that comes from the fire. And here we have a pot with boiling water, right? This is thermal, the thermal energy. We can see the heat, okay? Number 8, blare, to sound loudly, proclaim noisily. This is blaring, the man is blaring, okay? He's using a megaphone and he's blaring. Number 9, rumble, to make a deep, heavy, continuous sound as a thunder. Okay, look, we can see here the lightning. And these waves are like projecting the sound of the thunder. Okay? So, this is rumble, that noise. Number 10, back and forth. Back and forth, like in a swing, side to side. The next one, number 11, displays, to show or exhibit, make visible. Okay, this displayer is like exhibiting these products. Okay, this is display. Number 12, plug, an obstruction blocking a hole, pipe, etc. This black thing is the plug. Number 13, whistle, to emit similar sounds from the mouth as birds do. Look at the girl and listen to me. Okay, whistle. Number 14, rainforest. This is an ecosystem, right? It's a dense forest rich in biodiversity found in a tropical area. And we know why it is called rainforest. Obviously because it rains a lot there. Then next one, number 15, cycle. A series of events that are regularly repeated in the same order. The water cycle is endless. Do you remember that? We were talking about that. Okay, like the life cycle. You're born, you grow, reproduce, and then you die. Okay, the next one, dart. A small, slender missile that is pointed at one end and usually feathered at the other. This red thing is a dart. Okay? Number 17, nearby. Close at hand, not far off, adjacent. These are places that are nearby you. Okay, easy to find nearby places around you, that it's close to you. Number 18, eyesight. The power or faculty of seeing. Our eyesight. This is one of our 5 senses. Number 19, wildlife. Undomesticated. Look, this squirrel is free. Okay, it's not in a cage. It's not living in a house. Do you understand what is wildlife? Number 20, tracking. To follow or pursue. Okay, this man, because we can see that he's a man by his hands, is looking at this track. This track maybe is of a bear or a lion, I don't know. And he's looking at these tracks and he's following or chasing an animal. Okay, now let's go to week number 2. Number 1, zip line. Line used to transport across a river, gorge, etc. Look, this is a very high zip line, right? I think this is fun. Number 2, outlived. To live longer than normal. This shark has outlived. And we know why? Because of his appearance, of its appearance, right? Number 13, hatching. Emerge from its egg. Look at this turtle. It's beautiful. It is hatching. Okay, obviously from an egg. Number 4, launched. Okay, to release a vehicle or weapon. This rocket is launching. Number 5, absorption. The process by which a substance or object takes in a liquid, gas, waves, or chemical and makes it a part of itself. Look at this sponge. It's absorbing the water, right? Number 6, bioluminescence. The production of light by living organisms. These are jellyfish. They are beautiful. Number 7, fossil. Any remains, impression, or trace of a living thing. This is obviously a dinosaur. The fossil of a dinosaur. Number 8, rubbing. To move something back and forth against a surface. This person is rubbing his or her hands. Number 9, convection. The transfer of heat by the circulation of a liquid or gas. This now, you can see in this picture, this is the convection. The convection is the transfer of heat from this fire to the pot. Okay? Number 10, thermometer. An instrument for measuring temperature. You already know this. Your moms use this when you have fever. Okay? Okay, let's continue. This is number 11, pillow. A case filled with feathers or other soft material used to sleep or rest. the pillow. Number 12, prism, a solid having bases or ends that are parallel. This is a pyramid. Okay. Number 13, besides, in addition to, where do I, here I have besides. Beside is next to, right? Jojo is beside thought. And here, Jojo is the elephant, has many friends besides thought, apart from, okay? Besides. A spectrum, number 14, is this one. A broad range of varied but related ideas of or objects. Well, this was the spectrum that the spectrum has the rainbow colors. Do you remember that? Excellent. Number 15, wheat. Grain used to make flour. This is the wheat. We use it to, well, that flour made from wheat is used for baking cakes or bread. Okay. Number 16, chives. Small bulbous plant related to the leek and onion. Number 17, crumbling. It's to break into small fragments like the cookie. These are the crumbles, and crumbling is a verb. Number 18, blaster. A quick and violent gust of wind. But do you remember that we were talking that a blaster is this person that causes these explosions on the buildings when they are going to demolish the building? Okay, this person is a blaster, and it's also a violent gust of wind. Okay. Number 19, siren. This is a siren, a device for making a loud warning noise, like the ambulances and some police cars. Okay. Then dust, dry dirt in the form of powder. Look at this. This is a dust storm, and it's going to cover the whole landscape, right? The house, the trees, all this village. I don't know what is this. I cannot see very well. But look, this is a dust storm. So this was pretty easy, children. You have already seen these images with me. We have already worked with this material. So please, you are going to choose any of these vocabulary words, and please, you are going to write a sentence. You are going to type in the sentence that you want in the comments. Please, children, this is going to count as a grade. Write your sentence next to your name. Okay? Thank you very much. Have an awesome day. See you tomorrow. Bye.